Hey everyone, my name is Cassie. Go with the fro on Instagram. This is Bandit. He may also be throwing in his opinion from now and then, but just want to give you a quick review of this portable washer and dryer. So as you can see, it's pretty compact, and I'm actually using it right now. I will say overall it definitely is worth the money. I would say you can probably comfortably wash about 4 days worth of laundry for an individual. I would say probably for a family or a unit, it's good for quick washes every day. As you see, it is also cat approved. And let me get over to the dryer slash spinner. It's actually pretty decent. It's a good size. You're able to fit a comfortable amount of items. I just got some socks in there right now. But it's great for small items, not necessarily large ones. But that's why I also have a portable standing dryer. But I'll get to that later. Anywho, hope you guys enjoyed my review and definitely buy it. It's worth the money, perfect for small apartments, and it will definitely save you on cost.
I'm not washing any clothes right now, but this is it. It's big size. It's in my hallway right now. Sure dryer. It's really big in there. I probably gotta clean this. Oh, goodness. Goodness. Well, that pretty much catches what it can while it's washing your clothes. This part, I pretty much wait till it dries to clean it out. It will not take the lint off your clothes. Lint's very attracted to black clothes, so if you want your lint to be off, then you will definitely need to go to the regular laundromat. Again, the thing I said was I don't like the small inlet holes, especially when I like bathroom. My sink's over here. It takes too much. Ugh.
Hasta ahorita ha funcionado muy bien esta lavadora. La recomiendo. Me lava también pantalones de mezclilla y exprime muy bien. La recomiendo. Es esta marca, miren.
Did you hear the sound? It doesn't work. Yeah, you see? Nothing. Nothing. It always like that. It's not okay. It's not working.
I'm telling you, bro, I don't know what the fuck that smell is, bro. But
Yes. Oh.
I call it the 49th degree in 4-area flippy trick. Yeah, that rolls off the tongue, Poindexter.
This little washing machine is awesome. It looks little, but it does a big job. Look how deep it is for washing. This is cool for spinning. I mean, it spins the clothes so dry. It only takes like maybe 45 minutes to an hour for my things to dry. Not long at all. Awesome.
Received the machine today, and it's a little, it's dirty inside, and for some reason it's wet. Like it came out of the box wet. I don't understand.
Only once, and all it does is click now. I literally this is my second time using it, same day. Made sure it wasn't overfilled. I used it once, everything was great. Now all it does is click. It's on normal, I mean everything. So yeah.
Wow, so we did the spin cycle and these clothes are pretty much dry. I'll probably have to sit them out, of course, because they're socks and stuff, but this stuff is completely dry, dude. This is such a cool little device.
Little tiny monster.
I can't see having much more in there without spilling more.
Still wet. Still wet. We gotta hang them to dry.